Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're gonna look at a mystery box. I love mystery boxes. I even love mystery boxes from brands that I have most of their products, like the Huda ones, the ColourPop ones. I still have so much fun just opening those up, seeing what's inside, seeing what kind of looks I can come up with. And I think it just boils down to the fact that I really am a person that loves surprises. I know not everybody is in the same boat, but this is just the perfect combination because I love surprises, I love surprise presents, and I love makeup, and I love playing with makeup, swatching it, putting it on. So a makeup mystery box doesn't get better than that for me. Today I'm opening up a little mystery box that I ordered from Beaute. This is kind of perfect for me because I don't have a ton of their products, so I'm certain that I'm gonna get to try some new things here. I took a screenshot when I was buying this. It says Mystery Box 1 Black Friday exclusive. It says that it's a $160 value and it has 5 products, and I paid $47.99 US dollars for that. I think I also used a discount code for this. I'm not sure if it applied to this or the other full price products that I purchased. Let's see, do they still have these? Okay, it looks like at least the day that I'm filming this, I'm not sure when this video will go up because I'm pre-filming a lot of stuff so I can take a couple days for the holidays. But as of the time I'm filming this, the Mystery Box 1, the one that I got, which is 48 bucks, is still available, and Mystery Box 2, that has a $310 value for 99 bucks, is also still available. So that's fun. Who knows, maybe these are still around on the website by the time this video actually goes live. I kind of already got a hint of what was in here because it's not in a special box or anything, it's just packaged in this box, which is fine. I'm sure it's much more environmentally friendly not to have a special box for it, but I can already tell that there's some lashes in here, and I'm pretty sure this is either an eyeliner or a lip liner, and then these are some palettes, so I already have a little bit of an idea what I'm gonna find in here. But we're gonna open everything up and I'm gonna try some stuff on. I have a little foundation, concealer, and blush and brows, but I figured those things wouldn't be in a mystery box. Okay, so first thing, let's just take a look at these lashes. You guys know, if you know me, then you probably know I am not a big false lash gal. Although I have dabbled in the magnetic lashes a little bit lately. Oh, and these are magnetic lashes. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're very dramatique. All right, so maybe I actually will try these on because these are magnetic lashes. What about that magnetic glue? Hestia and Ellery. Ooh, these look very, very dramatic. This packaging is really pretty. I'm not 100% sold on these. But that's interesting. I didn't even know that they made magnetic lashes. Fun! Next up we have a lip liner. This is the shade In Love. Let's see what it looks like. It's got kind of a fancy top. It's giving me C3PO. I actually really don't like this style. But I mean, I'm sure somebody does. It doesn't mean that's bad. It's just not my thing. Okay, let's do a little swatch. This is like a deep berry color. Very pretty. Very pretty. All right, let's see what this is. This is the Pout Perfect lipstick in the shade Best Life. Oh, this is fancy. Look at that. Okay. This looks like a perfume bottle. You know, I'll say this. It is memorable. You know, if I saw this again, I would immediately know what it was. It very much looks like a little perfume bottle. I don't like it. I think it is cumbersome, too big, too extra. I think it's a display piece. This isn't something that I could like keep in my bag and touch up. It's gigantic. I mean, it's fine. I'm sure somebody loves it. I'm not that person. The lid is bigger than the actual lipstick. Now, I'll say this. I respect the fact that they went for it. They went for something that was recognizable. And you know what? A lot of people love really extra packaging, you know, for a display piece. I can see what they were going for. It feels very light and cheapy. I'm sure custom packaging is very, very expensive, so I really don't want to be hating on the brand because I do feel like, hey, at least they try to do something. I just don't like it. It looks like the lipstick actually matches the lip liner, which is really fantastic. Look at that lipstick curve. That's just gonna hug the lips. So here, I'll do a little swatch of the lipstick next to the lip liner. See, they kind of match. I like that. Very thoughtful. I like that. Oh, I got kind of a bonus product somewhere because it said 5 products and I already have 2 lashes and then the lipstick and lip liner. So that's already 4. And there's definitely 2 palettes in here, so fun surprise. There are 2, oh, I remember seeing these. 2 eyeshadow palettes, Classical Paradise. I don't have these, do I? Did I just see them online? I didn't buy these, did I? Worse. This is what happens when you have too many eyeshadow palettes. Okay, I love the packaging. We've got all the little birds of paradise here. Oh, this is very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love this kind of chartreuse, green, olive, berry. Oh, I like this. These are very, very pretty. The other one is called Blossom Passion. We've got a whole bunch of very florally, feminine florally little designs happening here. Okay, and this one has some really, really bright pinks, a little bit of red, still some berry too, so these could kind of work well together. This one's a little bit more monochromatic. Okay, cute. Cute, cute, cute. I'm more intrigued by the Classical Paradise, just personally. So let's try some of these things on and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'm gonna zoom you in. Let's try the lip first. This is definitely a lip liner that you have to sharpen. I'm gonna apply this lip off camera because this is gonna take some precision work. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I applied the lip liner and the lipstick. I think that they look fine. I think this color is pretty nice. It's not matte enough for a shade like this for me. I definitely need something that is a little bit more transfer proof for a color this dark personally, but I think the shade itself is really nice and I think it actually looks quite good on me. Another thing I noticed is that this lipstick packaging doesn't have a sticker or the shade name or anything on it, so there's no really identifying marks whatsoever as to what shade is in here. Alright, I'm going to use the Classical Paradise palette and I think I'm going to be able to create a really fun, beautiful look with this. I really, really like these shades. The mattes look so enticing and the shimmers all look very one note to me, so I'm going to swatch them and just see what the deal is with these shimmers. They feel nice. We do have this bronzy shade that kind of stands out. And when you catch the light, this lemony yellow shade also kind of stands out, but the shimmers are all very mid-tone, which I don't love. I would love a bright shimmer in there. But these mattes look like they're more than gonna provide that for me. So I really, really like these two. I'm definitely gonna be working with these 2 shades and maybe pull in this deep berry tone will kind of tie in the eye look with my lip look. I don't really have a plan. I'm just going to prime my lids and I'm just going to start putting eyeshadows on and see how it goes. Sometimes I have a plan, but usually I don't. Most of the time I just sit down and wing it.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here?
For the sake of the video, I am going to attempt these. This is the Ellery style, and I'm going to be honest with you, I'm probably going to trim these down. These are large and in charge. If anything, if I was any kind of lash girl, I would be a half lash girl, so probably going to trim these a little bit. But I'm going to try them. I'm going to attempt it. I'm going to do my best. I will be back, hopefully shortly. We'll see. Wish me luck. Do these look better on camera than they look in person? They feel like they look bad on me. I think it's just not my style. These are way too extra, and I trimmed these down a lot. Like, I trimmed the outer edge off because those were even longer and even more extra, and it's not, this is just not for me. It's not to say it looks bad, because I see people with even more extra lashes than this all the time, and they look great. This just doesn't work for me personally. Now, the lashes worked. Like, they are adhered to my eyeball. It's just not my style. If I'm gonna wear lashes, which mostly I'm not, they're gonna be a lot more toned down than these. But I wanted to show you at least that I put them on. I did try them. I just don't like them on me. Oh, so much better, thank goodness. Okay, so let me just fix my eye look just a little bit, and I'm gonna curl my lashes and just add mascara. Just the false lashes aren't it for me. Not today. Not this pair, not today. And then I'll be back to wrap it up. See you in just a second.
Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na.
After trying pretty much everything in this mystery box, I think this Classical Paradise palette is my favorite thing. Performance-wise, everything seemed to be pretty good. I think overall, this is just the one that's most in line with my personal style and what I find to be exciting and intriguing. The lip products performance is fine. I do not like the packaging. The lashes, again, performance is fine, just not really my style, just a little bit too bold for lashes for me. But it seems like I'm really gonna like this other palette as well, and these are definitely the high dollar items in the box. So the fact that I like both of these, and they're probably my two most favorite things from my mystery box, are pretty darn exciting. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about this mystery box. Have you tried any of these products? Did you order one? And if you did we get the same things? I'm always so curious about that. I love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And this is kind of... and I also use my friend's discount code. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay. I just made like a Mr. Burns noise. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, well, they're well packaged. I'll say that. Kind of weird. Just noticed that. Wow, that's really nice. I feel like such a mom sometimes when I say stuff like that. Golly gee whiz, kids. I love this swampy green. It's so cute. Ooh, I had to sneeze that whole time that I was doing that outro. I feel like I really held it together. I bet when I'm editing, though, my face is going to be like, thanks for watching. Oh, this is real life. This is what happens. Cute. All right, more stuff to do, more stuff to film. We're knocking them out. Knocking out that quality content, hopefully. Whew, okay. I have so much stuff to do, including charging this camera. So wish me luck. Wish me luck. Okay. I need a little caffeine boost before I film my next video. I gotta film like 3 videos a day for the next couple of days to stay on schedule. Help. It's going fine. It is, I think. Kind of. Fine is a good word for it. Like, not crushing it, but, you know, we're making it. We're here. We showed up. We got on cute eyeshadow. Doing fine. Alright. We'll see you real soon. And I love your faces. Bye!